Inarkila na namin ito mga mare. Ayaw nang bumaba. Ayan, nasakay na sila sa carousel mga mare.
Dati na-ipil ka naman, naglugan ka naman. Nag-ikot-ikot naman.
Nagpagid ka da. Yeah. Wow! Happy? Tuwan-tuwa mga mare. When you have to...
Ando pa sa bago, di ba? Dati ni Deja.
Dito.
Dati ni, ikot-ikot ka yung data, madi
One
data.
mo i-turn nyo Deja ata. Nagikit mo lang.
Madik data. Dati ani, pagkawalaan. Dapat na ba'y bayag, awang mo alagay ng bayad na.
Wow!
Deja.
Daddy's riding at the dito. There. Go ka! Sit down, Daddy. Daddy's riding too. Oh, alwadang ta Daddy mo ulang taan. Aglugan ka kami na horse and race at like where you wanna ride bar? Huh?
Yeah, because we see more people.
Kaya ka na peglugan.
Kaya anda bumababa na.
Yeah.
Anyway, awang mo tao.
Yeah. Say hello, Daddy. Inarkila na namin ito mga mare. Ayaw nang bumaba. Ayan. And Daddy is the driver. Daddy, good. Good job. Wag-ama. And we're here at the pet zoo, mga mare. Share. Okay, they get the food for the animals. Which one?
That's for the chicken, okay? Feed the chicken.
Animal feed: goats, pony, donkey, cows, and sheep only. No, not the chicken. The thing, goat or cow, alpaca. Oh, let's go check their alpaca. They have alpaca, ate.
Okay, don't waste it. Give to alpaca.
Go. DJ. Go find it.
Give the alpaca.
Look there. Go. Let's go. Come. Let's go. Don't open yet. Look. Genie hens. Okay. Oh, it's a peacock. There's a peacock there, Cara. Yeah. Look at that. Come on, Cara. Here, come here. Let's go. Come. Yeah. Where's alpaca? Let's go find alpaca. That's a farm sheep. Okay. Farm goats and a farm... there, ate! The alpaca! Oh my gosh. Go. They have alpaca. That's a turkey. And this is a African goat. Look! Oh, so ate! Bring your alpaca na ate! Yes, it is.
How did the pig there now?
The white one is Talma and the other one is Luis. They have their name. They are the alpacas. See? Where's your alpaca? The alpaca na, Daddy. Yeah, the Daddy alpaca na. She found her favorite animal.
Daddy, here, feed him. Here, feed him.
How you gonna feed them?
Feed him.
Harapin mo siguro.
Maybe.
Itang, kanindot to.
Toy.
Pwede ni Kara niya.
Tara, come here. Come feed the alpaca. Get the white one, the white one. Feed the white one too, Kara. Here, here, here. Here, here, open. Let's open it. Give me all, open it.
Okay, Kara.
Hold it.
White alpaca.
It's Talma. Talma. Oh, Talma doesn't want it. She's shy. Like, come on, Daddy, basta sinagsan ni Talman. May tinag mo, Daddy, ah. Talma, this is Luis.
Wait for that one.
Here, she can give it to Luis if she want it. Here, Kara. Here, put it here. Down, here. Kara, here. Let Ading do it now. Okay, two of you then. Two of you, okay? Talma is hungry. Yeah. Hello. Hi, Luis. Oh, maybe she's full now.
I think so.
Let's go in the pig. Or save the chicken. That's for the. Daddy, bigyan mo na.
Go, go, go.
Here, give me your hands. Give me your hands.
Here you go, Daddy.
Daddy, put too much. You gotta wash your hands. How about you, Kara? Your hands. Give me your hands.
I want to feed more.
Wait, close.
I want to feed more.
Okay. Give everything now. Wait.
Why?
No, don't. You have to wash your hands, okay? Okay, let's go wash. Let's it properly.
Naman, makuha naman ako.
Closer to us.
नहीं दबा animal feed for goats, pony, donkey, cows, alpaca, sheep, पूरा ना बस.
Hen and a rooster, right, Kara? Yes. Come here now.
हाँ लेकिन तू कहीं नहीं पड़ा.
तू feed कर.
Yes, Anak.
Rabbit nak.
Huh? Money? No money. Wild rabbits there. Do you see it?
Wild rabbits, they might bite us.
No.
Yeah.
Do you see it?
Yeah. Wild rabbits.
Naku, balik ng balik dito sa may chicken, mga mare. Itong si Maring Bulinggit. Yun naman si Mini Mare, nakita niya ang kanyang alpaca. Oh. What does it say, Kara?
Mama, doggy house, alpaca is here. We can feed them.
Is that chick?
Show your cheek to the hen, ate. Kara.
Here. Look at this.
How about your Kara? How about your
Ako, tuwan-tuwa naman sila mga mare. So you see the, ate, you see already the real alpaca, right? Kara, so you already see the real chicken. Nakita na nila yung ano, tunay na chicken.
Yes, you can touch it.
Ah, i-exhibit daddy.
No.
Here, look at this.
They are hungry.
They want to eat a boy.
Di ba na eat alpaca?
Look, I'm gonna put my hand.
Don't you dare. Daddy, no!
Where do you?
Say he eat our lips. Ay, kanda ka naman ito yung lips.
We eat it?
Yeah.
One more? One more?
Oh, yeah.
Hey, eat! Hey.
Give it na. See, he got it.
Tuwan-tuwa.
You want more?
That's so high.
Happy, Kara?
It's fun.
Happy daw mga mare. Come on, let's go now. Say bye-bye now. Bye-bye, chicken. Bye-bye, rooster. Ayan, mga mare. We're done here at Big Apple. Uwi na kami. Did you guys have fun, girls? Yes, agad mga mare. O, diba? Yun naman ang ano eh. Malagay. Yun naman ang importante. Yung nag-enjoy ang mga mini mares. Ayan. Uwi na kami mga mare and it's already 5:04. Okay mga mare. Uwi na kami. Bye bye bye. Thank you for watching mga mare. Ako, buti na lang umalis na kami mga mare. Naulan na. Ay, nakasakto-sakto. Pauwi na kami mga mare. Yan, papasok na kami sa may highway. God bless our trip again mga mare. Kadati ha. Ako, nilalakasan yung buhos niya. Ang laki ng ano ng patak niya. Ako, buti na lang umalis na rin kami agad mga mare. Kung hindi, basa ang abot namin doon. Pero doon, oh, grabe, dilim-dilim na.
Sasalubungin natin.
Sasalubungin namin yung ulan. Ako, dahan-dahan tayo, daddy. Naku, zero visibility mga mare. Dahan-dahan ka, daddy, ha?
Naghasad, tigit na likod tayo.
Na?
Naghasad naman.
Yeah. Mag-hazard siya kasi zero visibility. Naku, lakas ng patak ng ulan. May enough gas ba tayo?